Hey vlog. Hey vlog. So today I'm meeting Jamie and Phoebe, two people who you guys haven't met yet, but you will meet today. We're going ice skating for like 12 billion hours, and then we're getting some yummy food. I just realized that's where Kendall left her bag. I'll have to let her know. Look at him run.
What? Why is Kendall word?
Because his girlfriend revealed 50 subscribers.
Is it?
Well, I'm telling everyone to subscribe. I can't wait to see
what an incentive.
Yeah. Hey guys.
I watched the start of it.
My friend Philip said the whole like RMITV part, that was too long, he said.
Cut it out.
Which I am gonna say, that was the only interesting part of the vlog.
Was that when?
Wait, what is going on?
Ring just dropped.
Whoa! What? Wait.
They're doing.
Where's Phoebe?
She went to the toilet to piss her pants.
Bro, now that she's gone, critiquing my freaking
The
vlog.
whole thing sucked. No, I think.
I'll have a word with her after.
So.
Someone's recording.
Oh my god.
Phoebe, show us your cool ice skating.
My ice skating.
Look at Phoebe go. Look at this guy. This guy is garbanzo.
Is this another joke? Why are there so many lies?
Right, I can't take it.
Phoebe, what day is it today?
This is my beautiful.
It's April Fool's.
Christmas.
It's a
My
one
beautiful
day.
girlfriend made it. I love it very much.
Bro, she doesn't exist. They're calling your name, bro. Jazz doesn't play an instrument. Oh my gosh! Wait, what are those? Jam donuts?
Jam.
Oh, they smell nice. I actually, you know what's crazy? I don't like jam donuts,
Well, I'm ready to say.
but I completely forgot. That's okay. I'll try it anyway.
What? You know what?
No, I'll have one. I just don't
that
get too
$3 has
excited.
been-
Don't get, you get very
I get
excited.
$3 and 2 donuts. Is this the best day of my life? We should
Is it
ask
good?
if they can upgrade our license.
Baby, you're stressing me out. You're very far away. Me too.
I'm trying to get out of this.
Oh my God.
Why? You are so.
Before you arrived, Phoebe and I were talking about how excited we were to see you.
So I put my hands up. Oh shit.
You look great.
I like the.
There's a hot James.
No, I like.
I'm jammed up.
You have something on my face?
I look at that cinnamon sugar.
Is that us? Did you get a chai latte?
Yeah.
Whoa, something tree. I was like, why is yours $6?
I got David.
Mine was also $6 though. Wow. So they really meant small when I got a small.
Thank you.
What'd you get a? Bro, I asked for a
Dirty
small, not a
chai.
tiny.
I hate dirty chai.
Let's go get a beer though.
Every freaking time I drive.
Don't drive.
Every time we hang out, I say let's get a beer. Someone
I should have
says,
known.
"Let's
If
get a
Phoebe's
beer."
there, I should have known. I should have known.
Great. Are you still recording?
It's hot.
Not hot.
You're so dramatic.
This guy.
I'm really sensitive with heat.
Yeah. Sensitive with cancel culture too.
Oh, look at Jamie! Look at Jamie!
The full turn.
That was good. That was good. High five.
We do a fake boomerang.
Okay.
Ready, 3, 2.
My glass is gonna break.
Guys, does it look like I'm drinking whiskey? You reckon I can tell people
We need
that?
it on the
Looks
rocks.
like you got a dribble.
Whiskey on the rocks.
A dribble. How many they cans? Is this on?
Bro, you look so good.
Bro, I appreciate that.
Should I keep the vlog on just you?
Yeah. It's okay.
And Phoebe? You look good as well, Phoebe. This
Thanks, Jaden. Which one of you can play guitar? You can.
That's me.
Can you both?
I can sort of.
I want to learn.
Phoebe, I literally went to your house once and I was like, let's go through some chords.
We should do that first. So I want to learn guitar. Oh, the chips edge. Yeah, thank you so much.
Are you kidding me, bro?
What the hell?
Dude, these chips are so good.
You haven't even eaten it yet.
Well, I don't know. I hope it works out, but she's like, she wants.
Put the phone down. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, let's not look at the third eye.
Yeah, 3 seconds left.
Whoa. That's wild, bro.
You feel so good after that. And you went to school with
That's
him.
why. Yeah, that's my go.
He hasn't made no corner short film though.
That's right.
I'm showing this to Danica.
I actually let her know that we're saying hi.
Wait, peep show? Oh my gosh! Okay, I thought on the camera, not on.
That's such a crisp white shirt you're wearing.
Oh!
If we get these, and if we
What have you got in there?
Do you think these are cool?
I just don't like these, do you?
But that's cool.
That's comfy, yeah, I like that.
Wait, what are these?
Why is it $40 for each top?
Because it's got the things in it. That one's a bit dark. I like the green.
You scared me, sorry.
Okay. They are nice. I like these brown ones.
They're women.
I know these freaking women's, bro. It's a woman's world. My friend Philip has these pants, and he said he got them from Japan and they're Japan only. But I can see them here, Philip. Top seller in the US. Yeah, this guy's full of lies, bro. It's lovely. Just me and my bird friends. Wow, this one's crazy. Just me at family dinner.
No, I had a 69.73 gone and I had a 5.2 gone. And one, no, at work.
What? What the hell is going on here? Oh, hell no.
Oh, guys, this has been the best day ever. Phoebe, we should have to leave. Jaden, what will we do after Phoebe?
I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Bye, Phoebe. Is she wearing shoes? She's not wearing
They're
shoes.
like these blue clogs. I don't know what they are.
Bro, they're socks. Oh wait, that's gonna work, yeah. You're gonna have to open very wide though. It's like filming for Media 6, Media 1. Open your mouth. Oh. Ah.
I actually think I tore my jaw. I tore my jaw. I've never opened it that wide before.
Those people were laughing at us.
I love Jaden TV.
Does Billy know Jaden?
I'm not.
They were in the plastic picture.
I don't know, he didn't mention my name.
Show us what you're eating.
It's so little. I'm getting heartburn immediately.
And now us.
Can we hold it?
Yeah. I'm on 3%, so maybe nothing too dynamic.
I don't think moving the camera.
Wait, oh! Can we get a piece? The tailbone?
Out of 10?
Generally?
Nine.
9 out of 10? That's crazy.
9.5.
Can you believe that?
This is
Oh,
fucking
God.
mama's fun. Don't get so close. Stop!
Hey.
I do.
Cheers. Oh, here's the remains. Show the remains. Mr. Kipling, gone. Plate, finish. That's a wrap. And where are we now, you may ask? Ice cream plane is taking the station. So what flavors we got? Golden Gate time.
Lemon cheesecake.
A matcha green tea. Notice how I said it correctly.
That's my favorite.
So you said.
I haven't had that one in a while.
I don't know.
To the sleepover. Sleepover packed. Well, let's see if it got made on Saturday. It will make the vlog.
I think I could jump.
Sleep in the vlog.